Good morning, students. Welcome to your English online lecture. Myself, Miss Pooja. I am going to teach you the subject English of Standard 2nd. So, students, are you all ready with your subject English Standard 2nd? So, students, we are going to learn a new topic, a new lesson from our English Bal Bharati textbook. So students, kindly remove your English Bal Bharati textbook, your English notebook and carry a pencil in your hand for referring today's online lecture. So students, open your English Bal Bharati textbook. So students, this image is of your English Bal Bharati textbook of Standard 2nd. So students, those who are having their textbook, kindly open your textbook, and those students who are not having the textbook can download it from the Play Store. The link is given in the group, so you can download it from the Play Store and it will be easier for the students to read while they don't have the book to refer. So those parents who are not having the textbook at present, they can download the application of the Maharashtra State Board textbook, which is given in the group. The link is provided to you all. You all can just click and download it. Or those students who are having the textbook, students, open your English Bal Bharati textbook. So students, this is the index of your textbook. Let me discuss in short about the syllabus. Your syllabus is divided into 4 parts. Am I right, students? Yes. That is Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4. So students, we are beginning with the Unit 2 and we have completed the chapters and the poem in Unit 2. Unit 1 is completed in our first unit test exam. So in the semester exam which is going to come, the entire Unit 2 will be coming in your semester exams. So students, in our today's online lecture, we are going to study the lesson 2.5 language study from Unit 2. In the previous online lecture, we have studied the story time, unity is strength. And in the today's online lecture, we are going to study 2.5 language study. So students, open your page number 24 of your English Bal Bharati textbook and be ready with your lesson. Students, let us see the lesson's name that we are going to study in this online lecture. Unit 2, lesson number 2.5, language study. What is language study? In the Unit 1 also we have studied language study, and today also in this today's online lecture we are going to study again the language study. So the language is the subject English which we are learning, and study, you know the word of study, that we are practicing or learning. So students, the language study, our today's lesson number 2.5 is based on our grammar topic, that is describing words. So before starting the lesson, let me explain you in short about describing words. What is describing words? I have already explained and covered one topic of describing words in the grammar in the unit test exam. In the first unit, again I am going to revise it in this lesson as the topic is all about describing words. Now what is describing words? Let us see on a page number 24. So students, open your page number 24, lesson number 2.5 लैंग्वेज स्टडी. बच्चों, आपको आपकी इंग्लिश बाल भारती टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 24 ओपन करना है. आज हम लेसन नंबर 2.5 लैंग्वेज स्टडी पढ़ने वाले हैं. डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. नाउ व्हाट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स? द वर्ड्स which describes in the sentence are basically called as describing words, and the describing words are also a noun. All the describing words are noun, that is, it is a name of a place, person, animal or thing. So students, in a sentence, if a word in the sentence is used to describe a sentence or which completes a sentence is known as a describing word. So students, let us learn this lesson describing words in more detail. It is a grammar topic and the lesson is important for you all to understand what is describing words. बच्चों, describing words हम किसे कहते हैं? जो शब्द सेंटेंस में यानी वाक्य में जो वर्ड के बारे में सेंटेंस में डिस्क्राइब किया गया है उसको हम कहते हैं डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड. जो वस्तु के बारे में या चीज़ों के बारे में जो वर्ड डिस्क्राइब करता है, हमें ज्ञान देता है या हमें उस वर्ड से जानकारी मिलती है, सेंटेंस पूरा करता है, उस वर्ड को, उस शब्द को हम कहते हैं डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. द स्टूडेंट्स, द डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स आर द वर्ड्स विच डिस्क्राइब अबाउट द थिंग्स in the sentence which completes the sentence, which gives the meaning, attire to the sentence are called as describing words. So students, I know that you will not understand it by the meaning. So we are going to see the examples in the 2.5 language study in this lesson. By learning the example, we will come to know what is describing words. बच्चों, मैं जानती हूँ कि आपको मीनिंग से डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड नहीं समझ आया होगा, तो इसीलिए हम 2.5 लैंग्वेज स्टडी इस लेसन में एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं जिससे कि आपको आसानी से इजीली समझ में आएगा कि डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड हम किसे कहते हैं. तो आज के हम लेसन में डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड पढ़ेंगे और सीखेंगे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस स्टार्ट लर्निंग द डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. Let's know. Now I am starting. Students, point a pencil in your textbook while I am reading the sentence. What can you see in the first image? It is a mango. A mango is yellow in color. It is very sweet in taste. Now students, a mango is yellow in color. All of us know that mango is yellow in color. You can see the word yellow which is written in bold. It means in the dark black color. Am I right? Yes or no? बच्चों, आप देख सकते हो सेंटेंस में येलो वर्ड जो लिखा है, a mango is yellow in color, YELLOW, येलो जो वर्ड दिया है वो बोल्ड में दिया है. बोल्ड का मतलब आपको डार्क ब्लैक में वो वर्ड दिख रहा है, तो वो है हमारा डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड। अब वो डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड कैसे हुआ, हम उसे कैसे समझे कि वो डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड है। सो हाउ विल वी अंडरस्टैंड द वर्ड येलो इज डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड। सो लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू। अ मैंगो इज येलो इन कलर। तो बच्चों अब हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, मैंगो यानी आम के बारे में। तो हम आम के बारे में, मैंगो के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो वो हमें क्या बता रहा है कि मैंगो कौन से कलर का है। तो कौन से कलर का है, इट इज़ येलो इन कलर। तो वो डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, वो बता रहा है कि मैंगो का रंग येलो है, यानी पीला कलर का है, येलो। सो स्टूडेंट्स, दैट वर्ड which completes the thing, the meaning in the sentence, or which is describing a thing, that is called as describing word। तो बच्चों आपको समझ आया होगा कि जो मैंगो है उससे डिस्क्राइब किया है कि वो किस रंग का है, वो येलो रंग का है, तो उसे कहते हैं डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड। तो अब इसे पहचानना आसान है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई द डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड इजीली। नाउ द सेकेंड सेंटेंस, इट इज वेरी स्वीट इन टेस्ट। इट इज वेरी स्वीट इन टेस्ट। हाउ द मैंगो इज, स्टूडेंट्स, द मैंगो इज स्वीट इन टेस्ट। नाउ स्वीट, it is describing that the mango is sweet. How it is sweet in taste। बच्चों अब वो हमें डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, बता रहा है कि आम कैसा है, टेस्ट में मीठा है, स्वीट है। तो हम स्वीट हमारा डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड हुआ। अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? अगेन लेट अस सी। A mango is yellow in color. Mango is yellow. Yellow is the describing word in the sentence, as it is describing the color in the sentence. And the second, it is very sweet in taste. Sweet, it is describing the taste, that the mango is sweet. बच्चों आपका फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है मैंगो, जो कि फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में बताया है कि उसका कलर येलो है, तो उसका कलर डिस्क्राइब किया है। सेकेंड सेंटेंस में बताया है कि उसका टेस्ट कैसा है, स्वीट है यानी मीठा है। तो ये हुआ हमारे डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड, येलो एंड स्वीट। तो आपका फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल मैंगो का कंप्लीट होता है। नाउ लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल। अ रोज इज रेड। It is very beautiful. A rose. Students, everyone know the rose is a flower. You can see the picture of a flower, rose, in your textbook. A rose is red. So how is the rose described? A rose is red in color. Red. They are telling a rose is red. So red is the describing word in the sentence, as it is describing the color red. It is very beautiful. Now how the rose is? It is very beautiful. So beautiful, the word beautiful is describing a rose, about rose, that rose is beautiful. बच्चों a rose is red. रोज किस रंग का है, रोज कैसा है, रोज रेड कलर का है, रेड है। तो हमारा डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड हुआ RED, रेड। आप देख सकते हो ब्लैक कलर में बोल्ड में लिखा है RED, रेड। नाउ सेकेंड सेंटेंस, इट इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। ब्यूटीफुल यानी रोज़ बहुत ही सुंदर है। कैसा है दिखने में, सुंदर, यानी ब्यूटीफुल, BEAUTIFUL, ब्यूटीफुल। सो देर आर टू describing words. A rose is red. Red is the describing word. It is very beautiful. Beautiful is the describing word. So students, have you all understood? A rose is red. R-E-D, red. It is describing the color. So red is the describing word. R-E-D, red. And it is very beautiful. Now beautiful. It is describing the rose. How the rose is? It is beautiful. It means pretty. Let us see the third examples. There are 4 pencils. We use sharp pencils to write. Now in the picture, in the textbook you can see the picture, third example. There are 4 pencils. How many pencils are there, students, in the picture? You can count. There are 4 pencils. So FOUR 4. It means in the sentence it is describing that there are 4 pencils. FOUR 4 pencils. The next, we use sharp pencils to write. Sharp. Now again the sharp is the describing word. Sharp means we use pointed pencils while writing. Yes or no, students? We sharpen the pencil and then we write. So it is written we use sharp pencils to write. So there are 2 describing words. FOUR 4. These are 4 pencils. We use sharp pencils to write. So sharp is the describing word. बच्चों, थर्ड एग्जाम्पल में बताया है these are 4 pencils. ये कितने पेंसिल्स है? 4. तो हमें बताया है, डिस्क्राइब किया है कि कितने पेंसिल्स है? 4 पेंसिल्स. तो 4 हुआ हमारा डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड. वी यूज शार्प पेंसिल्स टू राइट. हम कैसे पेंसिल्स यूज करते हैं लिखने के लिए? तो क्या वर्ड डिस्क्राइब किया है? शार्प. बताया है कि हम शार्प पेंसिल यूज करते हैं लिखने के लिए. तो शार्प और 4 हमारा डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड हुआ. सो स्टूडेंट्स, FOUR 4 and sharp, SHARP, sharp. These 2 words are known as describing words, as it is describing the sentence that these are 4 pencils and we use sharp pencils to write. FOUR 4 is the describing word and sharp is the describing word. Now the next example, the last example. A dog is a clever and loyal animal. A dog. Dog is a pet animal. Everyone knows that. Now it is described that a dog is a clever. CLEVER, clever and loyal. The quality of the dog is being described. How is the dog? So a dog is a clever and loyal animal. बच्चों, अब यहाँ पे 2 डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स है. तो हमें बताया है डॉग के बारे में, क्वालिटी यानी उसके बारे में बताया है कि डॉग कैसा है. तो बताया है अ डॉग इज अ क्लेवर. क्लेवर यानी होशियार, चतुर. तो डॉग होशियार है. एंड लॉयल, लॉयल मतलब ईमानदार. एनिमल, ईमानदार जानवर है. तो डॉग इज अ क्लेवर एंड लॉयल एनिमल. डॉग होशियार और ईमानदार जानवर है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर 2 qualities. One is clever, 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 and the other is loyal. There are 2 describing words in the sentence. CLEVER, clever, and LOYAL, loyal. So students, have you all understood? We have studied the 4 examples in the lesson describing words, language study. The first example was mango. The second example we have seen was rose. The third example we have studied was a pencil. And the last example we have studied was a dog. So in the blue color circle, let us see what is written. Words in bold describe about each item. They are describing words. Now as I explained you, द वर्ड्स इन द बोल्ड, बच्चों इसका मतलब है कि जो वर्ड्स आपको बोल्ड यानी ब्लैक, डार्क ब्लैक कलर में आपको जो वर्ड दिख रहे हैं उसे कहते हैं डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड, क्योंकि वो वर्ड सेंटेंस में डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं, तो उस वर्ड्स को कहते हैं डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. So students, have you all understood the describing words? Now let us see the question A, match the following. So keep a pencil in your hand. We are going to match the answer. Those who are having the textbook and those who are not having the textbook can copy down the question in the English notebook. बच्चों जिनके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है वो टेक्स्ट बुक में ये मैच द पेयर्स करेंगे, और जिन बच्चों के पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है उन्हें इंग्लिश नोटबुक में क्वेश्चंस नोट डाउन करना है और मैचिंग करना है. मैच द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट वन इज शार्प, SHARP, sharp. Now what is sharp, students? In the above lesson example, what was sharp? Rose, pencil, dog, mango. Yes, the correct answer is pencil. So SHARP, sharp, you will match with the pencil, PENCIL, pencil. The second one is clever, CLEVER, clever. Now who is clever? In the example we have seen. Who is clever? You can see the example. Rose, pencil, dog, mango. Yes, dog is clever. So match the clever with DOG, dog. Sweet. The third one is SWEET, sweet. Now what is sweet, students? In the example we have studied. What is sweet? Mango. Yes, MANGO, mango. So match the mango with sweet. And what is RED, red. Now what is red in color? Rose. In the example we have studied ROSE, rose. So I am going to show you the correct answer now. So students, have you all matched it? Sharp, pencil, clever, dog, sweet, mango, red, rose. So this is your correct answer. Have you all completed? Now open your page number 25. So page number 24 is completed. Now let us see the next question on page number 25. So students, have you all opened your page number 25? Let us see the question number B. Using the given pictures, write the correct describing word from the words given in the box. Now students, the pictures in the sentence is given. Now you have to use the describing word in the answer. Now in the options, in the bracket, in the box, the answer is given. So we have to put the correct answer in the given blank. So students, let us see what the answer will come. Carry a pencil in your hand. The first one is, this is a dash ball. Now what will the answer come? In the bracket, in the option it is written 8, red, big, green, old. This is a big ball. The answer is BIG, big. So you will write in the first blank BIG, big. How is the ball? This is a big ball. Second one, an apple is dash in color. So what is the answer? 8, red, big, green, old. An apple is red in color. Yes. So second one is RED, red. An apple is red in color. You can see the picture of apple. Third one, he is an dash man. Now in the picture what can you see? He is an old man. So the answer is OLD, old. You can copy from the bracket, option is given. So there you can see from there and write the spelling OLD, old. Now fourth one. These are dash bananas. These are 8 bananas. EIGHT, 8. How many bananas are there? You can count, students, in your textbook. There are 8 bananas. The last one is, the fifth one is, this is a dash parrot. What is the color of the parrot? Green. Yes. This is a green parrot. GREEN, green. Let us check the answer. The first one is, this is a big ball. I have written the answer, students. You can copy from the video and you can write it in your textbook. BIG, big. Second one is, an apple is red in color. RED, red. Third one is, he is an old man. All these words are the describing words. And this is very easy, students. These are dash bananas. 8. EIGHT, 8 bananas. This is a dash parrot. Green. GREEN, green. So let us see the next question. C. Question number C. Fill in the blanks with correct describing word. Now you have to fill the blanks with the correct describing word. Now you can use the correct describing word. The words can be anything which suits in the sentence. तो बच्चों अब हमें डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड लिखना है, सही डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड जो कि वो सेंटेंस में मैच कर रहा है और वो सेंटेंस में प्रॉपर डिस्क्राइब करेगा. तो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द करेक्ट डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड. फर्स्ट वन है, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स आर डैश फॉर हेल्थ. सो स्टूडेंट्स, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स आर डैश फॉर हेल्थ. हरी सब्जियां और फ्रूट आपके सेहत के लिए कैसी रहती है बच्चों? अच्छी है कि खराब है? यस, अच्छी है. इट मीन्स हाउ इज द ग्रीन वेजिटेबल एंड फ्रूट्स फॉर योर हेल्थ? इट इज गुड और बैड? यस, इट इज गुड. सो द आंसर इज GOOD, गुड. द सेकेंड वन इज देयर आर डैश स्टार्स इन द स्काई. There are many stars in the sky. आसमान में बहुत सारे स्टार्स यानी बहुत सारे तारे हैं. तो आप प्लेंटी लिख सकते हो, मैनी लिख सकते हो. सो I am going to write MANY, many. So you also write MANY, many stars in the sky. Answer is MANY, many. Second one. Third one, ants are very dash. Ants. Now how are the ants? Ants are very tiny. TINY, tiny. Tiny यानी चींटी. चींटी कैसी है? बहुत ही छोटी है. Tiny. TINY, tiny is the answer. Fourth one, I have a dash pen. I have a blue pen. You can write either blue, black, red, ball pen, ink pen, anything you can write. So I have I have a blue pen. So students, just check the answer. The first one is green vegetables and fruits are good for health. GOOD, good. Second one is there are many stars in the sky. MANY, many. Third one is ants are very tiny. Tiny means small. TINY, tiny. Now fourth one, I have a dash pen. I have written blue. You can write black, red, ball pen, ink pen, gel pen, anything you can write. But I have written I have a blue pen. BLUE, blue. Now look and say. The last is the dictation word from the lesson. First word is YELLOW, yellow. Repeat with me, students. Second word SWEET, sweet. Third word RED, red. Fourth word BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. Now fifth word FOUR, SHARP, sharp. The next word clever, CLEVER, clever. And the last word LOYAL, loyal. These all are the describing words that we studied in the lesson. So we have completed our language study. So students, 2.5 language study lesson is completed. Practice the lesson, the grammar, describing words at your home, and you can also frame many sentences of your own. Thank you for watching the today's lecture. I hope so you have understood the topic. Stay connected for the next online lecture of your English subject. Thank you.